DJI just broke their silence on the Avata 360, and they did it in the most DJI way possible. No name, no specs, no launch date, no drone in sight. Just 41 seconds of footage that made my jaw drop. Because here is the thing, you never see the drone, not once, but you see exactly what it can do, and if you watch carefully, this teaser tells you more than DJI probably intended. Let me break it down. The clip runs 41 seconds, shot entirely from the drone's perspective. No product reveal. No text overlay, no branding until the very end. DJI just lets the footage speak, and what the footage says is this drone moves like an FPV machine, but sees like a 360 camera. The perspective feels fluid in a way that standard cameras cannot achieve. Shots that would normally require repositioning the drone mid-flight just flow seamlessly. That is the tell. The way footage transitions between angles without any visible cut or camera movement strongly suggests exactly what the leaks have been pointing to. A full 360-degree capture system paired with FPV flight dynamics. You are not watching footage that was shot at one angle. You are watching footage that was reframed after recording. That is a completely different kind of drone, and DJI knew exactly what they were doing by showing us this footage without showing us the drone. They wanted us to feel it before we could analyze it. Here's what caught my attention beyond the footage itself. DJI released this teaser simultaneously across all their official platforms. Not China first, not a quiet post on Weibo before anything else. Everywhere at once, that matters. If you have been following DJI launches recently, the RS5, the Osmo Action 6, they both appeared in China weeks before global release. Teasers hit Chinese social media first. International channels came later. This time, DJI went global from the first second. That tells me one thing. The gap between the Chinese launch and the global release on the Avata 360 is going to be much shorter than we have seen recently. Possibly simultaneous. And then there is the Facebook Marketplace leak. Retail packaging with the DJI Avata 360 name printed clearly. Drone only enhanced transmission on the front, which tells us a base package exists without goggles or controllers. Their final retail packaging circulating outside DJI almost always means units are already reaching distributors. Leaks, listings, official teaser, all arriving within days of each other. This is not a drone that is months away. For anyone just catching up, I have covered the Avata 360 story in detail in a previous video. Worth watching if you want the full picture on rumored specs and features, but the short version is this. The Avata 360 is not just an Avata 2 with a different camera. It is a fundamentally different product concept. Drop in the comments. What are you most excited about with the Avata 360? FPV performance, the 360 camera, or something else entirely? I will read everything.